All right, welcome. This is Chef Giuseppe. I'm cooking dinner tonight. This is a test for the Meals for Longevity video recipes. We're going to cook tonight hamburgers, potatoes, and fried cabbage. I was just going to do like that. So we put in the middle. We're looking about 165. So right now we're 157. So we're almost there. 159. So Giorgio, 2 minutes. I'm going to put things together, Giorgio. Very good. A little extra virgin olive oil and red wine vinegar for the potato salad. And we're going to start building the table. All right, let's go to the table. Hot. Very good. Whoa, look at this. Looks good. And the burger buns are over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and serve dinner for tonight. And this is an example how you can cook at home healthy. Hamburgers in the Mediterranean diet. Yes, you can. You're gonna learn this when you follow me with the new modern Mediterranean diet. See you next video. Ciao!